Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use Nearby Share in Windows 11. Now, this is brilliant if you want to share anything with anyone nearby with another Windows computer. So come down to the Start menu and then go into your settings. If your settings are in the pin section here, come up to the top and search for settings. My settings are here, so I'll select them from the pin section. So now we're in our settings, let's come to System. And you'll see here, Nearby Sharing. Discoverable Receiving Files Location. So we'll select this. Now, there's a few things you can turn on here. First off is either leaving it off, which is normally what Windows has it set as default. Then you have My Devices Only and Everybody Nearby. And this section here, Save Files I Received To, and it sends it to a download section. I've covered that up. And then this is your device here. Your device is discoverable as, and it says laptop VGO15QIN. You can always rename it if you wish, but we'll leave it as that. So what you want to do, if you want to share something with someone nearby, press Everybody Nearby or My Devices. So let's say it's not one of your devices, you can just press Everyone Nearby. Then let's say I want to share this Sales Northwest document here. Right click it and you'll see this share button here. Press that. Now this will pop up. When this window pops up, what will happen, if there's any nearby devices, you'll see a pop-up with Nearby Sharing, and then you'll be able to click the person, so like me here, like that, and then you'll be able to share it with that person, and it'll automatically send it to that device. They'll obviously have to accept it on their end, a pop-up will pop up, and they'll press yes to receive the item. So that's how to use Nearby Share in Windows 11. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.